Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's get right in today's topic, which of course is regarding Kaspa. If you are enjoying these daily analysis updates, guys, please smash that like button because it does go a long way, and of course it does keep me motivated to keep bringing out these videos for you guys. So as we are going into Monday morning, we're seeing quite a bit of a red across the board. You know, the things that we've been discussing over the course of the last 24 to 48 hours actually did end up happening, specifically for BTC, because Bitcoin is actually sitting below the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and of course altcoins are reacting to that. And on top of that, the dominance has done exactly what we spoke about as well, which of course I will bring out the visuals just shortly after we're done with this. So if we're looking at Kaspa, it is down about 2.2% on the daily time frame, with the price currently sitting at 15.8 cents. It's also down about 0.8% in Bitcoin. Comparative market cap is at about 3.9 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $39.7 million. But before we get into any further, though, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look at the dominance index, guys. You know, pretty much picking up traction. Exactly what I spoke about is happening right now, because Bitcoin has gone below the very, very critical support level, which of course is at the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement. We're sitting below that, and of course as we are going into Monday morning, you're looking at the dominance starting to retest that yearly high that it set for itself, and this could be the third time retesting that 57.7%. So would not be surprised if we wake up, you know, we're looking at that number already being retested, or if not even going above that. Because if you're looking at the price of Bitcoin, you know, Bitcoin has gone below the 23.6. We actually saw Bitcoin falling down to $57,000, and these wicks from the past, and of course, you know, if you kind of go back into the year of 2021, you know, these wicks are kind of coming as a level of support around this range. But pretty much I would not be surprised if 56,000 is retested, which I spoke to you guys about before. So as far as the price of Bitcoin is concerned, you know, we're starting to see some weakness within the price of Bitcoin. Hence you are seeing you know, the dominance index actually shooting up, because of course uncertainty is increasing. Usually when uncertainty tends to increase, you know, that does mean that, you know, panic is more in the board. And, you know, usually when there's more panic, you do tend to see more money shifting towards a Bitcoin from altcoins, because, you know, Bitcoin does tend to hold much better than alts. And of course, you know, a lot of people within the space are talking about the month of September being slow, and of course that is not going to help. But I did mention in my XRP update, if you did end up watching it, you know, the FOMC meeting is this month alone, which is September 17th to 18th, 2-day meeting, and you know, a potential rate cut announcement could happen, which could trigger, you know, the market to really turn around going into Q4. So of course that is something that a lot of analysts are keeping in mind. A lot of crypto enthusiasts, or even the traditional you know, market enthusiasts, are looking out for that. But let's see, you know, one step at a time, of course. But let's take a look at what's happening with Bitcoin. So of course, as I've said, you know, Bitcoin is sitting below the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level right now. If you're looking at Kaspa, let's take a look at Kaspa. So you can see Kaspa actually wicked down to this 15.8 cents mark. I spoke to you guys about this literally yesterday. If you watch my yesterday's update, I did say, you know, there's a potential of us being retested at this support. And again, you know, with the current state of Bitcoin and the dominance index, this shouldn't really be a surprise to any one of you. But still, as of now, you know, as far as the broader market is concerned, if you're looking at the broader market right now, majority of the coins are actually down about 5 to 7%. Majority of them. But you're looking at Kaspa down about 2.5% on the daily time frame, and even on the weekly time frame, this tells you everything. You know, the shift in the momentum that I've told you guys about, I think about 4 to 5 updates ago, you know, I'm sensing a little bit of a shift. And you know, this confirms that when you look at it from the weekly time frame, you're seeing a lot of coins down about double digits, but you know, you're seeing Kaspa only down about 6.6%. And these are things that, you know, I don't you know, completely forget. Kaspa is holding much better than Bitcoin as well. If you're looking at it on the Bitcoin point of view, Bitcoin is down about 10%. Meanwhile, Kaspa is down only about 6.6% over the last 1 week alone. So again, it speaks for itself. A lot of projects that do have momentum on their side are holding much better. And of course, you know, they are down much less compared to BTC. So as far as Kaspa is concerned, you know, I'm really, really impressed. Even though, you know, we're in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, I'm really impressed the way it's currently holding. But with that said, now you're looking at some very key support level being retested. If this does not hold, a retest down to that 15.3 cents, I can honestly be a reality. And again, that's not even a big move. That's only about a 3.6% move, and that is a realistic thing that you need to be looking out for. And I did speak about to you guys about the 14.6 cents support, which of course a lot of people don't want to see, but you need to realize from a real standpoint, a realistic standpoint, because of course Bitcoin right now is in the danger zone. We're below the 23.6. Most importantly, we're below the very key psychological resistance at 60k. So Bitcoin could even tumble down to $56,000, and that would not surprise me. And again, if Bitcoin dominance shoots to a new yearly high, that is obviously not going to help altcoins. So if you're looking at it from the Kaspa standpoint, these prices below the 61.8, below the 78.6 are not an unrealistic conversation to be having right now. But at the end of the day, one step at a time. Do let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.